Hey everybody and welcome to another video. Because I haven't made many videos in the past few days because I'm always in the Netherlands, I decided to do something different. I'm here with my cameraman, my girlfriend. She's right behind here. Yeah? You can say something if you want, honestly.
Well, it's me. Hi.
Yeah, Anyway, so I'm gonna open her PC. I decided because it's Sunday and it's hot outside and I don't have anything else to do. I'm gonna open up her PC, which hasn't been opened. It's a pre-built PC. And it has been open in 4 years. Like if you come here, like it even has the thing saying like warranty void. If you see, like warranty void. If you zoom in and out, it has like the warranty void if you remove it. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a bit dusty inside, or not at all. I don't fucking know. So let's open it. Yeah, and it's open now. I have no idea what this is. What is this?
I don't know. Look at the dust.
Well, it's really dusty. I mean, it's just a...
Oh, my nose already starts itching by looking
Oh,
at
look at this. Yeah. No, seriously, like, look at that.
Oh yeah, we can easily clean that.
I'm gonna clean it with the
The compressor.
compressor. Oh, dude, look at this. No wonder. Oh, dude, how did the processor even cool itself?
I don't know.
Look at that.
It'll always work perfectly fine.
And now we're gonna use the... Let's see. Okay, no, but seriously, come closer. Like, look at this stuff. Oh, dude, fuck.
Oh, stupid.
Dude,
Biggest
shit.
mistake ever.
Fuck.
Can't you break anything doing this?
God damn. Like when you clean your PC like that, you need to hold the fan pressed down so it doesn't turn, because if it turns suddenly really fast, it basically breaks the whole fan and it won't be able to... Look at that. Sorry. Oh, now we gotta turn this. Oh, god damn. Whoa, did you... Oh no, the graphics card. Oh, god damn. So, turns out nobody actually needs a CD player these days. So I'm gonna take the power supply from it, which we only have 3, so I don't have to go out and buy a new one. And I'm going to bridge the SSD here, so like through the hard disk. Oh, I love these magnetic. Don't you just love these magnetic screwdrivers? Yeah. Wait, no. Damn it. I might have to cut this out, to be honest. It's really bad because, I mean, it's not bad, it's good. No, it's not long enough, god damn it. Okay, be right back. So, we put the SSD here, it's sticking out of it, but who fucking cares. The PC is clean. I might change the cooler paste on the processor, but first I'm gonna check how hot it gets without all the dust that was sticking on it. It was going not that hot, like 50 degrees, which is nothing for a processor, for a CPU. But yeah, the SSD is here. It is sticking out a bit, but everything is fine. And if I did everything correctly, which I presume I didn't, but you know, bugger it, everything should work. We should have more memory. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to make new reviews next week of some games. I don't know. Do you want to say anything, Maddie?
Thanks for watching.
You've been awfully silent. Oh, dude, it's so fucking hot here. I hope you guys can manage the summer.
Summer, yeah. Today's the first warm day of the year.
In the Netherlands. And by warm, they mean...
And we both have a cold, so that's awesome.
Yeah.
And the dust going everywhere and the hay fever.
Yeah,
so
the cold is good, you know, to offset the heat, because that's how it works.
I want to shower.
Yeah, let's shower. Yeah, yeah, fuck it. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to shower now. And... yeah. Do you want to say something? Again, do you want to say something? Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Like the video, bastards.